Man, a constant worship all through his days. I am a man of constant worship. He has given me his grace. I bid farewell to my old nature. By Messiah's blood I was saved. By Messiah's blood he was saved. My soul is longing, and there's some peace I'll finally find, and there's some peace he'll finally find. So it's fare thee well, my desolation. I never expect to see you again, for I'm bound to walk that desert highway and enter in the promised land. He'll enter in the promised land. Some deep valley, my bones as dry as desert sand. Speak to them, you said, to one great prophet, and all these bones began to stand, and all his bones began to stand. And I will praise him all my days. Yes, he will praise him all his days, and he will praise